Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Audi A3 the only way. First, always ensure your vehicle is on a firm, level surface. Engage the parking brake fully and place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite to where you'll be lifting. This crucial step prevents any unexpected movement. Also, have your hydraulic jack and 2 reliable jack stands ready for use. Next, you need to identify the correct jacking points on your Audi A3. There are 4 reinforced points, usually found along the side skirts, near each wheel. These are specifically designed to support the vehicle's weight. They often appear as small, rectangular pads. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact location to avoid any damage to your car's undercarriage. With your jack points identified, position the hydraulic jack directly beneath one. Ensure the jack head is centered and making full contact with the reinforced point. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Lift it just enough so the tire is about 2 to 3 inches off the ground. This provides sufficient clearance for placing your jack stands safely. Now, carefully lower your Audi A3 onto the jack stands. Make sure the vehicle's weight is fully supported by the stands and not by the hydraulic jack. Give the car a gentle shake to confirm stability. When your work is finished, use the jack to slightly raise the vehicle again, remove the jack stands, and then slowly lower your car completely to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.